Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally share with you guys my master bedroom declutter and organize with me. We are definitely focusing on my small closet today. You're gonna get lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering motivation, and also some organizing motivation. So I am really excited to finally share this with you. We tackled my entire small master bedroom and all of the drawers as well. So here is the before of my master bedroom closet. As you can see, it really is small. I found it really hard to actually find a small closet when I was looking for motivation to do this. So I really wanted to share the process with you, as I found literally nothing. People would say they had a small closet and I was like, girl, I would dream to have that closet right now. And so I hope that this can resonate with you a little bit more and give you the motivation you need to declutter and organize your small closet. Let's get started. So as you can see, the first thing we are doing is taking everything out of my closet. We are doing kind of a Konmarie style method today, as I feel like when you're working with small areas, especially spaces like a closet, you really have to take everything out just to see what you have and work with a clean slate. Now I'm really excited with this video and just how my bedroom looks now. It is so much more organized, decluttered, and I feel so good about it. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video for the big reveal. So here on my bed, I have all of our clothes, mine and my husband's, and I am just starting to declutter. So I'm going through each piece of clothing that I own, and I am deciding, number one, have I worn this in the last year? Because I actually just did this closet organization when we moved in, obviously, which was about a year and a half ago. And the other question I like to ask myself is, does it fit? Now, looking at my closet, I know what fits and what doesn't, so I don't actually have to try them on, which is really nice and saves me a lot of time. So as you can see, I am just going ahead and putting the hangers on new hangers, and I'm getting rid of all the old ugly ones, as it just isn't that pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, as I just want everything uniform and a little bit prettier. Okay guys, I want to show you a little bit of progress. So here I have all of my clothes on the hangers, and I'm taking all of the white hangers, so I just got everything on them, and then I'm gonna give Aaron the blue hangers, and then we also have orange hangers, which I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use. I think it will totally clash with the closet, but I'm trying to make this as aesthetically pleasing as possible while not purchasing anything new. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting my clothes in the closet so that I have more space to work with on my bed, and then I will tackle Aaron's clothes. Just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the looking back on this clip, I didn't realize how many colorful pieces I have, as I'm normally like a black and white, maybe navy, gray type of girl, but my wardrobe has definitely gotten a lot more colorful. Let me know in the comments if you have more grays and blacks and neutrals, or if you have more colors in your closet. So I wanted to show you this little tip here. I have tons of clothes like this that can't actually be hung on a hanger, otherwise they just fall. But I didn't want things like looped around the hanger. I wanted it to just look very uniform in the closet. So I ended up just taking the string here and looping it around the little piece that hangs on the hanger there. I don't know what it's called or if it actually has a name, but I wanted to share that little trick with you so that it looks very uniform in the closet. Okay, I have everything in the closet that needs to be in here. I have all of mine organized, color coded, all the things, and then same with my husband's. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can see the system that I used in our small closet, and hopefully it can work for your closet as well. Okay, so at the back is kind of all my colorful stuff, and I have mine organized from dresses to rompers to fancy shirts to t-shirts to undershirts to these are like my suits for when I was not working corporate but I was working a professional job. And so I kept some of that, as you never know if you might need them. And then again, that's kind of how that is organized and color coded. Down here, this is all of my husband's stuff. So at the back I have just sweaters that he doesn't wear, and then I have it organized same thing. His is sweaters to shirts that he wears all the time, from sweatshirts to t-shirts and all the things. Everything is all color coded. And then his golf shirts right here. You can see my husband likes very neutral stuff, and I have a mix of both. Now here's what our bed looks like in the rest of the room. I have some clothes down there that I need him to go through that I'm pretty sure he doesn't wear, but I don't like to go through his things. That's up to him. The stuff in the closet I know he wears, but this stuff I'm a little unsure. And this stuff I'm going to start putting in the drawers. So before we tackle the drawers, I want to go ahead and get all of this cleared off. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. So as you can see, again, I'm just keeping all of those white and blue hangers in our current closet, and then I put the orange ones in our front entryway closet. And now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the drawers. So one key thing when you do have a small master bedroom is to have lots of drawer space. So that was one reason we decided to go with the bed that we went with, is because it had the under the bed storage. I know you can buy little things that slide under your bed and stuff like that, but it's just really nice that this is built in. And so there's two drawers that just kind of got neglected. So I'm just going through taking everything out of these drawers and again organizing it through if I've worn it in the last year, if it fits, all the things. And so that bottom drawer there is my sweaters, and then I have like a jean and pant drawer that I'm just organizing here. So I really wanted to just get everything folded and put in there neatly before I went ahead and bought some things. So right now our stores are not actually open, so I can't go into the stores and buy things. So I'm gonna have to wait until then before I can go ahead and get some drawer organizers to keep this tidy.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it.
So this drawer here is all of my workout shorts, my lounge pants, and then my leggings. So yeah, I got lots of black leggings. Over here, this is my jeans and shorts. So over here is my shorts and then maternity stuff. And then over here are my jeans and just like pants that I wear often. At the very bottom is all of my sweaters. So I just did 3 separate rows. And that is all of my sweaters, which is awesome. It fits perfectly. Moving over here, this is my workout sweaters. And then I play some sports. And so these are like my team player sports shirts. And then underneath there is just some maternity shirts. And then at the very bottom, we have some beach stuff. So this is like my beach dresses and beach wear. And then these are my really fancy dresses that I just kept from bridesmaids and from when I was doing like awards nights and stuff. And then moving here underneath the bed, this is like our paint drawer. So I have our Christmas jammies kind of hidden over there. And then all of this is literally just like loungewear or wear that we don't really care about. It's like the clothes that we wear when we're painting and doing home DIYs and stuff like that. And then those two sweaters there are just extra sweaters that are really good for when you're working out, like in the cold and stuff like that. They're like fire resistant, all the things. So Aaron used to wear those when he was working on the rigs. So that's kind of that. So this drawer is my bathing suit drawer. I didn't really do a whole heck of a lot in it, as it's just going to become a mess anyway. I'm not going to show you this. Oh, that's broken. I'm not going to show you this. This is my underwear drawer, and then my bra drawer is over here, and then this is just a sock drawer. So that is what is all in there. And again, underneath here, that was the paint drawer. This just has extra sheets and stuff. I actually didn't have to do anything to it, as it's all folded, all ready to go. And then under here is our jammies. I'm going to have to go through that. I don't even know what's in there. And then on the other side of the bed here, I don't know what's in that one there. And I think my extra purses and stuff are in that one. Okay guys, so we are on day 2 of our closet and master bedroom reorganization. So I'm going to show you guys what's on the floor, as I didn't show you guys yesterday. So we're going to do that. So this stuff here on the floor, I have to get rid of. It's just like stuff I don't wear, I don't like it, or it doesn't fit. So there's actually not a whole heck of a lot in there. And then over here, these clothes I'm throwing out because they're stained. Super unfortunate, because I actually love every single one of those pieces, but every single one of them is stained and I can't seem to get them out. So now that we got that all over with, we're going to tackle the rest of the drawers on the bed and then the end table. Now, there's this dresser drawer here, which is like, you know, kind of there. This is my husband's drawer, and I am not touching it because, like, that's his problem. Just kidding. But I don't like to go through his things. He's more than capable of doing it. I might organize and rearrange it, but I probably won't show you that on camera, as it just, I'm not getting rid of anything. So I'm going to tackle the drawers, the rest of the drawers, like I said, under our bed, and then the end table. Okay guys, so I actually went to the dollar store and got these baskets. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything that's in these drawers and my drawers over there into the top of my closet. Okay, and so in these drawers, it's basically like lotions and Aaron's like contacts and stuff, which he doesn't wear anymore, which is why I'm going to put them in the basket in the top of the closet so I can utilize this space a little bit better. Let's do it. Okay guys, so far this is what we have. I have just like lip balms and like body stuff in there. This is going to be a pregnant / nursing basket, and this is Aaron's kind of like random basket that I don't know what he's got going on. So all of those are now cleaned and organized. I am going to pull that out, as there is a drawer in here. So let's go ahead and do that quick, and then we'll tackle this drawer as well. So I gotta move all of this, and you'll probably see tons of dog hair behind there. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I also noticed in the last 2 clips there, I'm talking about like maternity and pregnancy things. I'm just throwing this out there. No, I'm not pregnant. My husband and I think we want another one, but we're still unsure. So I have kept all of my maternity stuff just in case. And so that's why I'm still holding on to it. But I'm, again, not pregnant right now. Just letting y'all know.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
Alright, so as you can see, I am leaving my purses in these drawers right now, as I just don't have the space for them in my closet, unfortunately. But I had the thought of getting my husband to build some shelving so that I could hang them, but we'll see for when we move into our forever home. I will obviously have a space for them there, as ideally I would have my purses on display. So I'm just going through my side of the end table now and organizing those things there, as it's most of this stuff just doesn't need to be in our end table. I really wanted to get rid of a lot of the stuff that we had, as I really wanted this space to be cozy and relaxing, and it's really hard to do that and relax in a space that is just so decluttered. And so I did end up getting rid of a lot of stuff here, and you'll see I'm just organizing my jewelry and putting it out on display rather than having it in like little bags. And again, ideally you would put the stuff in your closet, but we just don't have the space right now. And because the stores are not open, I'm not able to go get some closet organizational bins or things like that. And I don't really want to order them online. I really wanted to go into the store and just see what I can get. So I will do that once they open. Okay, so now that I got the drawers all clean, it feels so good to have those like clean, decluttered, and organized. I have a garbage bag full of stuff, which I didn't really show on camera, but empty boxes, like random things that it's like, why is it even in here? And I threw a ton of lotions and stuff that we haven't used in like literally since we got here, which would have been like over a year and a half ago. So time to get rid of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these baskets up into our closet, and then I will show you the big reveal. So you saw the before, and then I will show you the after of my master bedroom declutter and organize. Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope that this gave you guys some decluttering and organization motivation, as it feels so good to finally have this room done. It was a major goal of mine to get this done in 2021, and I'm just so happy it is clean, organized, decluttered, and I just feel really good. So if you enjoy decluttering and organization videos like today's, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It just tells me that you like what you see, and then I know to make more content like this. And if not, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs down. We can still be friends. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.